Ferragosto is a summer Italian festival that is hugely popular and surrounded by delicious food and entertainment. And who better to give us a bit of a taste of Ferragosto than Luca Ciano? Welcome back to the studio.
How are we?
Great.
Hungry as usual?
Asking.
Always. Well, let me say first, buon Ferragosto a tutti gli italiani and non-Italians.
Bit slower.
Buon Ferragosto a tutti gli italiani. To all the Italians out there, buon Ferragosto. Back home is a really big celebration. There's a bit of political history behind this public holiday, giving a day off to workers, so it's a bit of a workers' celebration day. But then, me growing up, it was just summertime, going to the beach and have a big party. And the dish we're doing today, to me, it's just relating to my childhood days. We're going to the seaside. It was always about seafood. So I thought of a very simple dish with vongole, clams. So let me start just by putting these in straight away. Lid on.
I didn't realise you could get like clams in the pack.
Yes, you can.
Right.
Yes, you can indeed. Let me crank this up. So the very first step every time we're cooking with clams, and you know, I'm just speeding through it because I want to get comfortable with the food, and then we keep chatting. We got the vongole in here. Doesn't matter what type of clams or mussel you're cooking. Very nice hot pan. Of course, something that retains a lot of heat even better. Lid on. We're going to create a bit of steam, and we're going to cook this through until the clams are going to pop open, okay? And we're going to encourage that with some good white wine. So just a little dash. This will just help the whole steam to be created, and it will help them open up. This will take about a couple of minutes. So that's where you come in, young man.
Yep.
I always
What's your job? What we're going to do with pasta?
Pasta cooked.
So plenty of boiling water as always.
Plenty.
We got some spaghetti chitarra. We're gonna, just up will be plenty. Salt, every time we cook with pasta, make sure as always, plenty of salt. It's about that 7 grams to a liter of salt. How do we know it's enough? Do you want to do this for me?
Yep.
Magic finger in and out.
Put my finger in
Have a bit
there.
of a taste? No, don't do that. It's gonna be
That's like
helping.
salt. That's
it's
a lot of
gonna be a
salt.
hazard.
Just like the sea.
It's just like the sea, but you know, it's important. It always visually looks like a lot of salt. The pasta will only absorb X amount,
Yes.
and then the salt in the water goes in the drain. So it's just enough to enhance that flavor, okay? Meanwhile, the clams are cooking, but today what I've done, I didn't even talk about the dish, is actually spaghetti aglio olio peperoncino, which is probably the ultimate Italian midnight snack, which is translated into pasta, spaghetti, but any pasta, with garlic, oil, and chili. Simple as that. So to do something a little bit more exciting, though, what I've done today, well, what I've done yesterday, actually, I slow cook garlic. So normally you can just put everything in a frying pan, cook garlic, chili, and extra virgin olive oil. I had time yesterday, so I did a hell of a lot of extra virgin olive oil, garlic peeled, chili, and it's slow cooked, turn it down, and it's slow cooked at 100 degrees for about 2 hours. So the result, I'm not sure if the camera can pick this up, but the result is, I know, magic camera, look at this. It's just like a paste, right? So now, as I show you what I've done earlier, that's where Sarah comes into play with the magic whizzing. So I've already done a little bit of that to make it easier, but we got all the extra virgin olive oil with a little bit of chili as well in it, and the garlic. We're gonna puree that up, and that becomes our sauce. So it's something to give it a little bit different and fun. Look, clams already open. Look at those babies. Full clam, very juicy. Let me take, sorry, Sarah.
That's quite thick, isn't it, that sauce?
Yeah, it has to go nice and thick, beautiful. So we're gonna remove a little bit of those beautiful sea juices full of goodness and a bit of saltiness, of course, because of the seawater. What we're gonna do, we're gonna retain this water just in case we need it towards the end, because we don't want our pasta to be nice and soft and creamy. Look at this. Sarah did the best job. Man, you've never done anything like that for me. He always only stirred the pasta. If you can see this beautiful cream, you know, the garlic has gone sweet. The pungency of the garlic has disappeared, so that's why it makes it a little bit more special. Again, you don't have to do all of this, but come on, it's a little bit extra fun.
Those clams are really...
Clams open, look at these babies.
After a glass of wine as well.
Diamond shell, look at this beautiful plum, juicy vongole. Now, pasta goes in there straight away, sir.
No problem.
You can drain it up.
Can you make this with chicken?
Security, can you get him out of here, please?
Here's a question as well. Why do you serve with the pasta shell, with the shells of the clams?
Because it looks cute,
Okay.
That's really...
Why can't I use this thing?
Listen, we only got about another 2 minutes, so we're either going to drain the pasta here. What's going on?
Here you go, look at
No, let me do it with this. Sorry.
It doesn't work.
Sorry, let me...
Oh, that was the trick. You told me to pop it in.
That's how you do it.
Mamma mia.
So you get one. I thought you had it all under control after all the time you cooked me pasta. Yeah?
Oh, I thought I did.
All right, guys.
This is a trick here.
Then pasta,
that through.
always the same. Doesn't matter what dish we're cooking, always juices, and the pasta's got to go together. The starch, the stickiness of the pasta is the goodness that would allow pasta and sauce to bind together really, really well.
And what about this gorgeous sauce there,
So we're
darling?
gonna have these to go for about 30 seconds, if time allows, and then we're gonna go with maybe 1/2 teaspoon of that through the pasta. So we got garlic, chili, aglio olio peperoncino out of these, clams, and last, we're gonna grate it off. We don't do Parmesan cheese on Italian food per se. We're gonna go with some grey mullet cure fish roll to grate on top. And this is what I'm cooking at this Ferragosto celebration this Sunday in 5 Dog Great North Road, 25th year anniversary of Italians celebrating this beautiful festa.
Would you get a look at this?
Raining
oh my
of bottarga,
gosh.
little drizzle of chili oil,
Holy
and happy
heck.
days.
Holy heck, here we go.
Tammy, you've done a good job. Come on, simple, delicious,
Fresh,
sweet
beautiful.
garlic, not too pungent.
Perfect.
And the perfect summer dish. If I was in Italy right now,
There we go.
this is how you celebrate your Ferragosto. But I hope to see as many people as possible this Sunday at the
Yep.
Ferragosto Festa in 5 Dog.
You're dead right. Ferragosto. Fantastic.